Bonfire Night. What is Bonfire Night? We celebrate Bonfire Night every year on the 5th of November, when it is starting to get cold and it gets dark early. Over 400 years ago, in 1605, a man named Guy Fawkes and his friends decided to try and blow up the Houses of Parliament and King James because they were not being very kind to some people. Why celebrate? The Houses of Parliament were saved, so King James made November the 5th a special celebration. Now we still remember this special celebration. We celebrate with fireworks that light up the night sky. There are many kinds of fireworks. Which firework goes whoosh up into the sky? A rocket. Which firework spins around? A Catherine wheel. Which firework has sparks coming out like coloured rain? A fountain. We celebrate with bonfires. We celebrate by eating toffee apples with a sweet, crunchy coating. We celebrate by eating jacket potatoes baked in the oven. We celebrate by eating bonfire toffee made with treacle. Remember, only adults should touch fireworks as they are dangerous. Fireworks, fireworks, never touch. They can hurt you very much. Let's do that rhyme together. Fireworks, fireworks, never touch. They can hurt you very much. So that is very important to remember. Never touch a firework. Happy Bonfire Night, everyone, and stay safe.